It is 1st of April and it's still snowing in New York. Good morning everyone, it's Liah here. I wanted to do a favorites video because I haven't done one in such a long time. Before we jump into it, I wanted to make 2 announcements that I will be in New York and Jakarta to meet you guys. I'm so excited. So for those of you guys who are in New York, who are based here, I would love to meet you guys at BEAUTYCON New York, which is going to be on April 21st, 2 p.m. and I'll be at the social lounge and I'll be holding a meet and greet. The last time I did a New York meet and greet was I think over a year ago, so I definitely want to reunite with a lot of you guys, hug you guys in person and hang out. Yeah, just chill with you guys. And for my Jakarta Pom Pom fam, I will be at JakartaXBeauty. I'm so stoked to just be there and just meet you guys in person because I know a lot of you guys are from Jakarta, so that's gonna be exciting. I'll list all the details down below in the description box below with the ticket link and everything that you need to know in advance. Now let's move on to my favorites. So the very first favorite is something that I'm wearing right now on my lips, and it is Lilybyred Tint. It's in the shade number 6, 치명적인 성윤척. I do not know how to translate that in English, but it is a Korean brand. It's something that I wouldn't normally pick up myself. I'm kind of like intimidated by wearing really deep dark colors, but Sunny from Sunny Channel, she's raving about this. She's been obsessed with this specific lip color and I got a chance to try it out. I fell in love. It just looks like a brick red that makes you look like a grown-up woman, and once I wear it, I feel like I'm intelligent. I can speak with confidence. You know, it's one of those colors that just kind of switches your mood instantly and makes you a better human being. It does give you a very powdery matte finish. Another favorite of mine is Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. Now this has been in my holy grail list, but I haven't used this for several months. But now that my eyebrow tattoo or my microbladed tattoo eyebrow is kind of fading, I quickly opted for this, and this never disappoints. I feel like this tops every single tattoo brow, like similar gel tints out there. It's so pigmented. The longevity of this is so good. Leave it overnight, peel it off the next day. I wake up with a beautifully, professionally done brow that is very pigmented. So you do need to be careful with the shape. You have to adjust it with Q-tip and play around with it because it does really stain your eyebrow area. Pick it up and thank me later. For the longest time, I avoided sheet mask at all costs because I think if you do have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, rosacea, or anything that has to do with broken, damaged skin barrier, I always advise you guys to just stay away from sheet mask for a while because it is actually force feeding all the ingredients from the sheet. It can be nutritive to the skin, it can be hydrating, but at the same time you're really force feeding your skin with all the sensitizing ingredients or potential irritants, potential allergens, so your skin may be more aggravated after using any kind of occluding sheet mask. My skin has become better after not using sheet mask. Now that my skin is a lot calmed down, a lot tamed, and it's behaving really well, I wanted to experiment a little bit more with skincare and sheet mask, and I went back to the Bombee honey mask pack from Papa Recipe. You guys all know that I love honey, royal jelly, and propolis, and this sheet mask comes with everything, and it has a lot of humectants in it, which makes it super duper hydrating. From the ingredients, I don't really see anything that is supposed to be irritating. Maybe fragrance if you do have uber sensitive skin, but it does come with vitamin B5, arginine, allantoin, which is a soothing ingredient, has royal jelly, hyaluronic acid, propolis, honey, lecithin, and also ceramide, which is going to help repair and restore your skin barrier. It's not really a fancy mask, but I think sheet mask doesn't need to be fancy, to be honest. It just needs to hydrate your skin and relax your mind and body, and this did the job, and my skin felt a lot hydrated, a lot more supple, so I really liked it. This is something that you might have seen a lot on my Instagram from one of my last videos, which was the glass skin tutorial. I adored this so much. It's called Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 serum with hyaluronic acid and also vitamin B5, which is panthenol, and both are supposed to be a really synergetic ingredient in terms of plumping your skin, hydrating your skin, and repairing your skin barrier. Among every hyaluronic acid serums, this is by far the best hyaluronic acid serum that I can proudly say that did really change my skin. This dramatically just plumped up my skin like no other, and I've never really experienced that from other products. Even with anti-aging products, they kind of plump up your skin over the long term, but with this product, with one single drop, I was blown away. First, the texture and the consistency is like no other. I don't know how to describe it, but it has a really silky bounciness to it. As soon as you apply it, you will feel like your skin is well coated with really nice hydration layer. I know many of you guys were intrigued by the product and checked out the ingredient deck, and you guys found the alcohol, denatured alcohol, in one of the top ingredients and were kind of turned off by it. But basically, alcohol is totally safe to use, and I think it really comes down to the end result, like how the product feels on the skin. It never ever felt drying. In fact, it just felt more hydrating than ever. I can feel a massive difference between using this and not using it. So I highly recommend you guys to try it. I know it is on a pricier side, but it's definitely worth every single penny. Test it out if you can. I highly recommend it. Now, next product is a moisturizer from Huxley. I adore this so much. Huxley Anti-Gravity Cream. If you do have dehydrated, dry skin, or even combination skin, I think you will really enjoy this. New York weather is really dry at the moment, and my entire apartment's so dry, so I feel like I just needed to go back to this Huxley cream. Whoever formulated this, he or she is an absolute genius, because it's so different from any other moisturizer's texture. It does come in a really thick, buttery, dense cream texture. Once you spread it out, it absorbs and melts into your skin right away. It delivers not only moisturization but also hydration as well, which was pretty mind-blowing for a thick cream. I guess it was just enough for my combo skin, and I think the Huxley, the signature scent, has kind of grown on me. Now, this as well doesn't come with a super fancy ingredient deck, which I actually do like about, because I think a lot of moisturizers, they want to impress someone with all the ingredients that isn't really necessary, but it does have the prickly pear seed extract in the very first ingredient list. It has a really good balance of silicone, shea butter, and all the esters and fatty alcohols. So all of those together create a beautiful kind of breathable film on top of your skin that allows your skin to let the moisture in from the air and still keep the hydration intact. Now, this is gonna sound weird, but I feel like this is designed to be very similar to your natural sebum. I told you it's gonna sound weird. My skin just receives it so well without any irritation. Finally, a fragrance favorite. This is Malone London, Basil, and Neroli Cologne. Oh. It's not sweet, but it has a very citrusy note, but it also isn't too lightweight, like too casual. I do feel like this is a very versatile fragrance that you can also dress up and dress down. Yeah, I really suck at describing scents. Last but not least, I have an earrings favorite. I wanted to just give a big shout out to Hanbyul. She is a Korean YouTuber who does fashion, beauty, everything. She's really talented, so highly recommend you guys to check her out. She collaborated with another jewelry brand called Noonoo Fingers, and she gifted this earring to me, which is so me. And I'm not normally a person who loves these kind of chunky earrings, but this definitely screams my name. And ever since I got it from Hanbyul, I have been wearing it non-stop. The website pictures don't really do justice. In real life, it's so much better. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate if you guys can click the subscribe button down below and give it a like if you liked this video. I hope you did. And eat healthy, stay happy. Talk to you guys on my Instagram at Liah Yoo. And yeah, bye!